Today I'm going to be talking about something that's generating a lot of buzz currently. It's AI agent, and more generally speaking, agentic system programming. It's a wide topic, moving fast, so I'm going to first try to explain what it is in a simple word and concept, explaining the types of agent, what agent means versus autonomy, some architectural topologies and components. I'll cover a little bit multi-agent architectures, and then I'll switch to some of the popular frameworks that are emerging. How many of you have worked with agentic AI systems as of yet? Can you raise your hand? Okay. So it's moving fast. No one knew what it was 12 months ago, and now it's pretty much everywhere. So fascinating. So if you ask me in one sentence what it is, it's software programming other software using AI techniques, okay? It's a lot more subtle than that, but in essence, that's what the market is trying to do. So I'll talk about an agent, what an AI or LLM agent is, agentic workflows, and then agentic system, okay? So what is an agent? It's a piece of software, typically a module that runs independently, that can perceive its environment, make decisions, and take actions. It could be as simple as a piece of software managing a thermostat, sensing temperature, comparing it to a threshold, and then deciding to turn heat on and off. So the point here is agency doesn't have to imply complexity, okay? And I'm going to talk about graph representation because the idea is you compose graph of agents and of different types to execute an end goal or a task, okay? So in this context, it's a single node within a broader graph that you want to typically build.